Hello and welcome to Riley Photo's photography channel, where we showcase the best tips and tricks for capturing stunning photos. Now today I'd like to talk about how the best photos contain a subject, a background and a foreground. That's right, many people think that photography is all about pointing and shooting your camera at a subject, but it's way more than that. To capture a great photograph, you need to consider how the subject, the foreground and the background are working together. Now the subject is the main focus of the photograph, of course, and it can be positioned in the midpoint, in the foreground or in the background. The background and foreground needed to be treated differently to capture the essence of the photo. We'll explain about that just in a moment. When you're composing the shot, start with the subject and focus on finding a place for your subject. Make sure it's in the proper position according to the shot that you are framing. Once you have the subject in place, move the foreground and background to the appropriate position. Now, foreground and background are essentials, as they can also help you tell the story about that subject. And they're going to add depth, they're going to add perspective to the picture. And to maximize the beauty of the photo, each element should be treated differently. For instance, the foreground is where the photo is grounded, right? This can be where you experiment with color and texture or shape, where you enhance the image. Similarly, the background of the photo should contrast or complement the subject somehow, make it stand out. But it should never overpower the main subject of the photo. You see what I mean? The background's got to often be blurred to make a subject more prominent, but also, take care of the foreground and the background together, and you are creating a beautiful cohesive frame around the subject, near and far. With proper placement, you can create an attractive and memorable picture that way. So there you go. Always remember that the best photos contain a subject, a foreground and a background. With these elements in place, you will capture stunning photographs that start telling a story. Hey, thanks for watching. We hope you can apply this to your photography and capture some amazing photos yourself. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more photography tips and tricks. I'm trying to grow the channel to speak to as many photographers as possible, and by hitting that like button, you really will help. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you next time.